przecież weźcie uwagę, że Norwegia zeszła się na kątnie, bo gdzieś tam kiedyś jakaś była odławą, no chyba coś takiego, że Szwedzi się poddali i dowiedzieli, że nie będą chronić granic i nie puszczali do Norwegii tak tak. No coś tam było, no. I oni jakieś mają takie swoje praktyki, dlatego tak się poddali, tak się i pieniędzy nie dostawali.
Han ska spela den här gör det först. Vi svarar närmare som
Everyone find the scheduled service to remember. I did not also see from there. I will return to the offices for the way. Like the resolution one first should not be demonstration and appreciation.
We will not even treat the circuit features of the chapter. And your attention is safe, I'll just make it perform one minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board the Golden Voice flight. ሻንጣችሁን ከላይ በሚገኘው የዕቃ ማስቀመጫ ውስጥ ወይም ከፊት ለፊቱ ከሚገኘው ወንበር ስር ያስቀምጡት። ለደህንነቱ ሲባል በተቀመጡበት ጊዜ ሁሉ የመቀመጫ ቀበቶውን እንድትታጠቁ ይመከራል።
To fasten your seat belts, simply slide the front metal into the buckle until it clicks and adjust the straps until
መቆጣጠሪያ መሳሪያዎች መነካካት ፈጽሞ የተከለከለ ነው።
This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited in the entire craft, including the lavatories. Tampering on the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited.
ተንቀሳቃሽ ስልክዎን ወደ በረራ አማራጭ ይቀይሩ። አውሮፕላኑ በሚነሳበትና በሚያርፍበት ጊዜ ሁሉ ሌሎችን ከመርዳቱ በፊት የእርስዎ መተንፈሻ ጭንብል በአግባቡ መስራቱን ያረጋግጡ።
In the unlikely event of an emergency, fasten your seat belt. Hold your position for maximum protection until the plane stops.
በዚህ አውሮፕላን ቦይንግ 787 ውስጥ ለአደጋ ጊዜ መውጫ የሚያገለግሉ ከፊት ከኋላና ከኋላ ምልክቶች የአደጋ ጊዜ መውጫ በሮችን ይጠቁሟቸዋል። አሁን ላፍታ ምልክቶቹ ያሉበትን ቦታ ለማግኘት ይሞክሩ። ምናልባትም ከጀርባው ሊሆን ይችላል።
The signs help you locate the exits. Take a moment now to locate the nearest sign, which may authorize you to the slide racks that can be used as a flotation device.
ክቡራትና ክቡራን መንገደኞቻችን አሁን ያለመሳት በፕላን በረራ
Have a pleasant flight.
local time. And right now in Orlando it's snowing, light snow with a temperature of -2 degrees Celsius.
ለደንታን ጥንቃቄ ሲባል ቀበቷችሁን ታጠቁ የሚለው ምልክት እስከሚጠፋ ድረስ የመቀመጫ ቀበቷችሁን እንደታጠቃችሁና እንደተቀመጣችሁ ቆዩበት እናጠቃለን። ማንኛውንም የኤሌክትሮኒክስ መሳሪያ ለመጠቀም ሆነ ሲጋራ ለማጨስ የእንግዳ ማረፊያ ላይ በቀበሌ የአየር መንገድ ሰራተኞች እንዲተናገሩ እንጠይቃለን። ሲዘሩትን ከእኛ ጋር የሚቀጥሉ መንገዶቻችን ከዚህ ጋር የሚታሰሩ መንገደኞች ስላሉ የተመደበላችሁ መቀመጫ ላይ ቆዩ በዚህ ስናለኝ Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sweden, Stockholm. The local time is 20 minutes past 9 p.m. Please keep in contact remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten sign is turned off. We remind you to wait until you enjoy the terminal to use any electronic devices. I would like to say goodbye to all our passengers who apply Shiva Mass Continue, Parallax Board members who visit by participation. Thank you for joining us on the street and we look forward to seeing you on the conference.
Please, after turning down the engines, the aircraft is going to be repositioned with the track due to the slippery conditions of the ramp. So please remain seated until the seatbelt signs goes totally off, please.
Le han dado.